Symmetrical compositions feel satisfying because they create instant visual harmony. Today, how to make symmetrical shape compositions. Open Adobe Photoshop and create a 2000 by 2000 pixel canvas with a clean white background. Select the rectangle tool and draw a vertical shape exactly in the center. Duplicate it and move the copy to the opposite side, ensuring equal spacing using alignment tools. Switch to the ellipse tool and add matching circles on both sides, maintaining symmetry. Choose the polygon tool and place identical shapes at the top and bottom. Activate the Move tool and fine-tune alignment using arrow keys